In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Miro team for free. If you're new to Miro, think of a team as your shared workspace where you and your collaborators can plan, brainstorm, and organize ideas on visual boards without paying anything to get started. First, create a new Miro account. When you sign up, Miro automatically places you on the free plan and spins up your first team, also called a workspace. There's nothing extra you need to toggle or request. The free setup happens by default. During sign-up, you'll be asked a few simple questions to personalize your workspace. Pick a clear team name that everyone will recognize and choose a purpose that matches how you plan to use Miro, like planning, design, or workshops. Right after that, you'll land inside your new space, ready to create your first board. Next, start collaborating by inviting people to your team. On the free plan, you can invite as many members as you like to work together. Send invitations right from your workspace, and your teammates can join to view, comment, or edit, depending on the access you give them. A quick tip here: be intentional about who gets editing access on shared boards so you keep things organized. Use board descriptions or a simple naming convention to make it easy for everyone to find the right place to work. You can create a limited number of free boards, so focus on the boards that matter most, and archive or repurpose older boards to stay within the limit. Finally, remember that the free plan includes core features but has some restrictions. You'll have access to essentials like sticky notes, shapes, text, basic templates, and real-time collaboration, but a handful of advanced tools and controls may be unavailable. You might notice limits around how many boards you can actively edit, or that certain export options, admin settings, or integrations are locked. That's normal for the free plan. To get the most out of it, keep your workspace tidy, consolidate related ideas onto fewer boards, and lean on the built-in templates that are included at no cost. That's it. By creating a new account, you automatically get a free team, you can invite unlimited collaborators, and you'll have a practical set of features to get real work done with a few limits to keep in mind. Go ahead and sign up, invite your teammates, and start your first board today. If your needs grow later, you'll already have a solid foundation to build on.